Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable APK permission on the Oppo A5x. Now, if you want to install an APK file on your Oppo phone, but if it shows you this error while you're downloading the APK file, now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just tap on More Security and Privacy. On this page, you will find the option of installation sources. Just tap on it. Then enable the toggle for the app from which you want to install the APK file. Now in our case, we are installing the APK file from the Google Chrome app. So I will enable this toggle in front of Google Chrome, then select Allow. And if you're installing the APK file from any other app, just enable the toggle for the app from which you are installing the APK file, just like that. After you do that, then go back to the app and try to download the APK. Now, as you can see, this is how you can enable APK permission on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.